Hello, white people. I have good news for you. If you are black, make sure you share this video with any white people you know. All the white people you know. White people, on behalf of all black people, whether they are in what you call Africa, America, Europe, Asia, Australia, it doesn't matter. I speak on behalf of them, all of them. We have good news for you. Very, very, very good news, and you'll like this one. Listen. As black people, you may not know this, we are very connected. We even have our own secret society. It's nothing it's nothing evil. It's nothing like whatever you Illuminatis, your skulls and bones, your whatever you call that thing, Masons or Masonry. What's the other one? Jesuits, whatever those things. No, 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 no. We don't sell our souls to the devil. The devil might sell his soul to us, but we are not interested. Now listen up. Within our secret society, we discuss a lot of black things, a lot of black matters, and we came with something that you might like. You see, we are planning to colonize aliens. Yes, we are leaving this planet. We are going somewhere else. We are going to colonize the aliens. And I know you may be skeptical. You may think, no, this is nonsense. The aliens, they have advanced technology. They have intelligence and all that stuff. But they don't have big dicks. They don't have big, black, beautiful bums. No, they don't. They don't have big, black, beautiful breasts. They don't. We are going there. When we get there, us, the guys, we are going to the female aliens. We are flirting with them. And we are going to fuck them. And the ladies will do the same to the male aliens. Flirt with them. We have what we call Operation Double F. Flirt and fuck. Yeah. Sooner or later, when we get there, we are going to rule them. Our females, our black ladies will become kings because they will conquer the male aliens. And then us, we are going to become queens. The roles are going to reverse when we get that side. But it's okay. It's okay. We are going to be the queens because we are going to conquer the female aliens. But this cannot be a success without you, white people. We need funds. We need your money. You know, you have all the money in the world. Even the few black people who have money, there's always white people behind them, you know, or a white person who approves, who supports, you know, all that thing for this, you know, who enables this black person to be rich. We all know this. Now, we need the money. So I am their spokesperson, like black people all over the world. I'm also the CFO. I'm handling the finances, basically what I'm trying to say. So you can send the money to my Standard Bank account 063 074 362. Let me repeat again. 063 074 362. 9 digits. Don't make a mistake. Send any currency. Send South African rands, American dollars, British pounds, any currency. We don't have currency phobia. We are very open-minded. Just send the money. I'm the one who, you know, who's responsible for the finances. Send to my Standard Bank account 063 074 362. And we are even, you know, we even have pickup lines for the aliens, but I won't share that to you. That's classified. Yeah. So yeah, just send this video. Please share this video to all white people, from the white guy who's there in the streets having no home, whatever, to the guy who's playing golf. Share this video to all the white people. They must see this. This is, guys, you'll have pure paradise. Imagine this. In front of you, no black people, just white people. Behind you, white people. On your sides, white people. In your dreams, white people. Everywhere you go, white people. Paradise. Pure paradise. And we have robots now. We have robots. They may replace. You don't need us. Just give us the money so that we go. We leave this planet. Even the new problem that we have, who's that guy? Ibrahim Traore. He will be gone. He'll be gone. Send me the money. I'll take my black people off this planet. Send the money. Send. South Africans, send me the money. People all over the world, send me the money. We are leaving this planet. You see this? We are leaving this Africa thing. We are leaving. We are going somewhere else. Come on, white people. Wake up and smell the rooibos. What does it say? A balanced diet is a cake in each hand. Yeah. Go and get yourself this cup at ShopRite or Checkers. But send the money.